Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. Today we're completely breaking down the highly anticipated wffweb 12.0.14 release. And let me tell you, this one drops on a very, very special date. To all of our viewers tuning in from India today, a very happy Independence Day. Okay, let's dive into this because today is all about freedom, right? And fittingly, this brand new release brings a whole new level of liberating features directly to your development workflow. It's gonna be great. Section 1. Celebrating freedom and innovation, focusing on 11 new attribute classes. This update is basically all about giving you the freedom to build really modern applications without jumping through a million hoops. We've got an impressive arsenal of exactly 11 new attribute classes to make that happen. For instance, look at the Popover suite, which includes Popover, Popover Target, and Popover Target Action. This is absolutely massive for native UI management. It means you can finally drop those heavy JavaScript modal libraries you've been dragging around. We also get native support for new commands and inputs, so things like command, command for, input mode, and interest for. And over under resource and UI control, WF Web now includes some incredibly powerful HTML tools like cross-origin, fetch priority, inert, and integrity, all directly accessible right in your Java code. It's a real game changer. Let's move to Section 2, Client-Side Performance Boost, delivering elite speed. Now, adding new tags to your codebase is awesome. But pure performance is what actually keeps your users around. So to squeeze literally every ounce of performance out of the framework, the WF Web team has rolled out a major client-side JavaScript optimization. In production mode, this heavily optimizes the bundle. But as a result, it actually hides some browser console errors you might be used to seeing. Now wait, this isn't a bug. It's a deliberate, high-performance feature designed to make your production app run at absolute maximum velocity. But obviously, you still need to debug when you're actively building the thing, right? So the crucial point here is knowing exactly how to toggle this optimization off when you need that visibility. When you're in your development phase, all you got to do is call this exact command, wfconfiguration.setDebugMode true. Just slipping the single line into your config will immediately bring those hidden, super useful errors right back into browser console. Just, remember to turn it off or remove it before you deploy to production so you get all that elite speed back.
Section 3. Zero friction migration, or upgrading made easy.
I don't know about you, but usually when I read release notes packed with this many new features and fundamental JavaScript optimizations, I start dreading the upgrade process. I start calculating in my head how many hours it's going to take to refactor my existing code. But look at this number, 0. No way, right? But that literally represents the exact number of code changes required to migrate from the previous version of wffweb to version 12.0.14. You get 11 brand new attribute classes, a massive performance boost, and it costs you absolutely nothing in migration friction. It's completely backward compatible right out of the box. And the best part? These assets dropped on GitHub just a little while ago. Both the zip and the tar.gz formats of the source code are right there, ready for immediate download. The barrier to entry for getting these amazing new features into your current project is virtually non-existent at this point. You can pull this down and start experimenting with those new popover and command attributes right this second. So I really want to leave you with this question to chew on. With zero migration cost, elite client-side performance, and an entire suite of new native attribute classes right at your fingertips, what are you going to build next? Go grab the release, update those dependencies, and let that newfound development freedom spark your next great project. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and happy coding.